Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WhatsApp from Android without losing media step by step clearly. Begin by opening the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, navigate to the settings section by tapping the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In Settings, tap on Chats. Within the Chats menu, look for Here, you will see the option to back up your chats to Google Drive. Ensure that your media is included in the backup by verifying the toggle next to Include Videos is turned on. Once you've confirmed your chat backup settings, go back to your home screen. Locate the Settings app on your device and open it. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications. In the list of apps, find and tap on WhatsApp. On the app information screen, tap on Uninstall. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and press Enter. Select the official WhatsApp Messenger app from the search results. Tap the Install button to download and install the app again. Once the installation is complete, open WhatsApp. You will be prompted to verify your phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions. After verification, you will be given the option to restore your chat history. Tap on Restore to retrieve your media and chat history from the backup. Once the restoration is complete, you can continue using WhatsApp seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this